Welcome to Pixum Studio. Do you want to create something like this? Then here we go. All the shortcuts and Corel tricks I used in this design can be seen in the card above. Here I used black color, but you can make your own choice. But black color is the best color for this creation. To do this creation, follow all these steps without any missing. Draw a circle and click the shadow tool. Click the shadow presets and scroll down and click medium glow. Set shadow feathering to 4 or 5. Then select feathering direction to outside. Choose your own color or blue. Remember that the two colors you choose here must match each other. Remember to change the color format to RGB at the all time. When you forget it, this happen. RGB exporting when choose RGB and CMYK. CMYK exporting when choose RGB and CMYK. Break circle and shadow with pressing Ctrl+K. Convert the shadow to bitmap. Then click Transparency tool and choose Fountain Transparency. From now on, follow the same steps as before to create the ring light. Add another red and blue rectangle between to the circle and background. Choose those colors and select again Transparency tool. And select Bitmap Pattern Transparency. Press Ctrl+I and import your image. As you can see here, there is website for remove images backgrounds. Click this card to watch it. Now you need to resize it as needed. Choose B-spline tool and draw a line like this. Now, select as first one the line drawn by you and select second one as image. And click on the trim. Then create another rectangle and do same as video. Now you got a beautiful and creative image. Thank you for watching. Be creative.